Sumo wrestling stands as Japan's revered national sport, a profound cultural institution. It is far more than just a display of strength and tradition. This ancient martial art blends athleticism with a surprisingly intricate financial ecosystem. For the dedicated sumo wrestlers, known as rikishi, their livelihood is earned through a variety of distinct avenues. Crucially, a wrestler's income is directly and inextricably tied to their rank within the sport's strict hierarchy. Furthermore, a rikishi's performance in the ring, bout after bout, directly influences their financial standing. The most significant and consistent source of income for sumo wrestlers comes in the form of salaries. These salaries are paid directly by the Japan Sumo Association, the sport's governing body. The amount a wrestler receives varies drastically, reflecting the rigid ranking system. The Makuuchi division, which represents the sport's top tier, is home to the highest earners in sumo. Within this elite group, the Yokozuna, the sport's grand champions, receive the largest salaries by a considerable margin. Their base salaries are often further supplemented by significant bonuses, reflecting their supreme status and drawing power. Below the Yokozuna, the Ozeki, Sekiwake, Komusubi, and Megashira ranks also receive substantial monthly salaries. However, the salaries for these progressively lower Makuuchi ranks become smaller. Each step down the ladder brings a reduction in the fixed income. For wrestlers in the Juryo division, the rank immediately below Makuuchi, the financial structure shifts slightly. They receive regular stipends rather than full salaries, though these are still a significant form of income. Wrestlers in the Makushita division, below Juryo, also receive stipends, albeit smaller ones. Wrestlers in the lowest divisions, such as Sandanmei, Jonaden, and Jonakuchi, do not receive formal salaries or stipends. Instead, they often rely on training allowances provided by the Japan Sumo Association. Crucially, these lower division wrestlers are heavily dependent on the comprehensive support provided by their sumo stable, or heya. Beyond their base salaries or stipends, successful sumo wrestlers, particularly those at the top, can significantly augment their earnings through various additional income streams. These opportunities are often a direct result of their fame and public appeal. Endorsements and sponsorships play a crucial role in the financial success of top-ranked wrestlers. Yokozuna and Ozeki, being the most recognizable faces of sumo, are highly sought after for commercials and advertising campaigns. Their image lends credibility and prestige to various brands. These elite wrestlers are also frequently approached for product endorsements, ranging from food and beverages to traditional Japanese goods. Public appearances, such as charity events or promotional activities, provide further income opportunities. These engagements can significantly boost a wrestler's overall income and personal wealth. A wrestler's popularity, their unique personality, and their consistent performance in the ring all profoundly influence their marketability and the lucrative opportunities available to them. Wrestlers also compete for substantial cash prizes during the 6th annual Grand Sumo tournaments. These prizes are awarded not only to the winners of individual bouts, but also, most significantly, to the overall tournament champion. The amount of prize money available increases substantially with the wrestler's rank. Winning a tournament, or even achieving a strong winning record, can result in significant financial windfalls. This prize money further incentivizes wrestlers to climb the ranks and perform at their absolute best. It adds an exciting competitive layer to their financial aspirations. The financial well-being of sumo wrestlers is not solely dependent on their direct earnings. A robust system of support and benefits, particularly from their stable, forms a critical safety net and foundation for their careers. The stable, or heya, serves as the central hub of a sumo wrestler's life. It provides essential housing, ensuring all wrestlers have a place to live and train. Stables also provide all meals, often prepared by junior wrestlers, and offer comprehensive training facilities. The stable master, typically a former wrestler himself, manages the heya and its residents. Stable masters often provide invaluable financial guidance and support, especially to lower-ranked wrestlers who are just starting their careers. This comprehensive support system is absolutely crucial for the wrestler's overall well-being. It allows them to focus entirely on their rigorous training and development without the burden of daily living expenses. Upon retirement from the demanding world of professional sumo, wrestlers receive a lump sum payment. This payment serves as a significant financial cushion as they transition to life after the ring. Wrestlers may also be eligible for other benefits, depending on their final rank and their total years of dedicated service to the sport. These retirement benefits provide a vital financial safety net for former rikishi. They acknowledge the immense physical and mental toll of a sumo career and help ensure a degree of financial security in their post-wrestling lives. The financial landscape of sumo wrestling is undeniably multifaceted and deeply intertwined with its ancient traditions. It is a system that rewards dedication and performance within a strict hierarchy. Top-ranked wrestlers, particularly the yokozuna and ozeki, enjoy substantial incomes. Their earnings come from a combination of high salaries, lucrative endorsements, and significant prize money. In contrast, lower-ranked wrestlers rely heavily on stipends and the comprehensive support provided by their stables. For them, the hope of climbing the ranks is not just about prestige. It is a direct path to greater financial stability and independence. The entire system is meticulously designed to reward exceptional performance and unwavering dedication. It ensures that those who reach the pinnacle of sumo are compensated handsomely, while also providing a foundational support structure for all who commit to this unique and demanding sport.